So, a tool that Facebook offers is Facebook Audience Insights, and there's a couple things you can do with it that we're going to look at. So here's an infographic that I made, and we can kind of dive into this a little bit. So just a kind of a closer look at the as more zoomed in look to that it's easier to read. So then some of the stats that you can use. So with my profile being homeowners as a local insurance provider, we're looking at ways that a local insurance provider could effectively use Facebook. So with a frequency cap of 1 post per week, it was possible to capture up to 80% of the total potential brand lift. So that's kind of giving you an idea that of the frequency that you need to be able to kind of rein in a bigger audience. So 1 post per week is not a lot. And with that, an audience network video ads that are 30 seconds or shorter were completed up to 70% of the time. So that's kind of showing you the most effective source, or the most effective type of content is videos, and keeping them as short as possible. And then the number one reason, so looking at kind of our demographics being young homeowners who are looking to buy insurance, so that kind of being the millennial generation, a little bit older. The number one reason they surveyed millennials say they save money is to be responsible. So that kind of gives you an idea of maybe some content to post about saving money as a newlywed or something of that sort. And now another strategy, Facebook owns Instagram, so using Instagram to attract kind of that younger audience, the more newlywed audience. There's now 15 million business profiles on Instagram, so kind of showing that Instagram is proving to be an effective social media platform for businesses. 69% of millennial business decision makers in the U.S. agree that social media provides them with important information for business decision making. So kind of looking at, again, that target audience, using Facebook to make decisions in their life. So using social media to, as providing them with information for business decisions is kind of an important statistic, because that shows you the effectiveness of social media when making decisions like buying insurance. And then millennials in the U.S. are 1.4 times more likely than boomers to cite a move-in location as a carrier for car insurance. So that kind of telling you that even though millennials are a big audience, you can still target boomers with car insurance, as well as millennials, showing that they're less likely to buy car insurance and moving into a house as their excuse. You can kind of target that in a way and spin it to sell more. And that is the logo.